You got it. You're good. Yeah, there you go. Keep going, turn the tires, turn the tires. Left, there you go. All right, back it up. Real easy, go slow. A little back, a little bit more. Turn the wheels. Keep going. See if you can cut the wheels. All right, go forward in 1. There you go, bounce it. Keep going back and forth. Yeah, use the speed.
Give it a little bit of gas.
A little gas and cut the wheel while you're going forwards.
Which way? Just back and forth?
Yeah, just full lock right, full lock left, and keep going. Yeah, you're gonna have to go backwards.
Okay. I'll go get the tow truck.
We'll go forward this time.
Go forward, yeah.
I think we're gonna go forward this time.
Yeah. Hey man, you gave it a good shot.
Huh?
You gave it a good shot. You might still be able to get out if you keep working with it. Pretend like you don't have help.
Huh?
Pretend like you don't have someone about to pull you out. I think you dug a hole now. Oh, there you go. Keep going.
Progress.
Keep going backwards. Yeah.